This is the 2024 Heartland Sundance Ultra-Lite 221 RB, currently on sale. The Sundance 221 RB is the huge kitchen in a small trailer floor plan. The 221 features a 190-watt solar panel with charge controller, U-shaped Dinette slide-out, a huge kitchen countertop with lots of drawers and cabinets, an air fryer oven, a front walk around 60x80 queen bed, spacious bathroom, and a living room slide-out with a Dinette and Refrigerator. Weighs about 5,200 pounds and is just 26 feet 6 inches overall. The Sundance trailers have a 3-year structural warranty and are loaded with features including Azdel Walls, enclosed and heated tanks, aluminum framing with laminated fiberglass sidewalls, slam-latch baggage doors, electric tongue jack, fiberglass front cap, barreled interior ceiling, and prepped for a backup camera.